Silver is a blessed metal, boasting many desirable properties. Silver isn't just beautiful, it outshines all other metals. Moreover, silver is the most electrically and thermally conductive of all the elements. For this reason, silver has widespread industrial use, outperforming both iron, copper, and gold. Silver is also relatively malleable and ductile, allowing artisans to craft intricate items throughout history, from elegant tableware to glittering jewelry. Silver's chemical properties make it versatile. Elemental silver is somewhat chemically resistant. It doesn't easily react with air and water under normal conditions, but it can lose its glimmer and radiance when it comes into contact with sulfur compounds. Now, speaking of compounds, silver compounds have a myriad uses. Silver iodide is used in photography, silver nitrate in coating mirrors, and silver sulfadiazine have medicinal uses and makes a good antibacterial agent. Silver is among the densest metals on Earth, with 1 cubic centimeter of silver weighing 10.49 grams. It ranks behind gold, tungsten, and lead, but ahead of the more commonly used metals like iron, copper, aluminium, and zinc. Silver is a little more than half the density of gold and 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter, making silver easier to transport and work with in large quantities. As a less valuable metal, silver is a practical option. Silver is quite rare. It occurs at 75 grams per ton, or 1,000 kilograms, on the Earth's crust. In decimal terms, this is equal to 7.5 with 5 zeros in front of it. Now that is rare, considering iron forms about 5.63% of the Earth's crust, calcium 4.15%, and copper 0.006%. Though more abundant than gold, silver often exists naturally in ore mixed with other metals. Some are located deep beneath the ground and have a complex chemical composition that makes mining and extraction difficult. Thousands of years of mining have exhausted most of the surface-level deposits. Fortunately, modern technology allows us to access the deeper and more complex deposits. Silver, like all naturally occurring elements, is bounded by scarcity, even the most abundant. There is a finite amount that exists, especially what is accessible to us on the Earth's crust. APMEX estimates that we have mined 1.74 million tons of silver since the beginning of history. Experts estimate that there are 600,000 tons of silver reserves that remain beneath the ground. However, seismic activity deep beneath the surface may replenish that, but certainly not at a quick rate, to make silver less scarce than it is now. Tech buffons may ask the question of, well, why don't we make silver in a lab? With current nuclear technologies, you could collide several particles at high speeds, and perhaps you can create silver atoms. While people continue to dream about the infinite possibilities of technology, we'll stay grounded in reality. It is cheaper to hop into an excavator and go beneath the ground than to consume huge amounts of energy and collide a few particles to make not that many atoms of silver. So there you have it, the wonderful properties of silver, and that's why it makes it very valuable. Now join me in the next video as we explore why silver was money. Thank you and God bless.